meals and 3 snacks. What do you need to make it happen for Wednesday? What do you need? So, are you guys done with that? What do you need?
Chicken.
Chicken. Okay. How many meals?
2.
8 ounces. There's 16 ounces in a pound, which means she's going to need half a pound of chicken. So when you go to the store right now, when you go out there, you're going to get how many ounces? Times 2.
Oh, 2.
I'm sorry, no. 8, 4, 4. That's, you only need 2 meals, right? 24 divided by 16. Because 24 ounces that she needs, well, there's a pound equals to 16 ounces. And they usually sell by pounds. So how many pounds does she need? 24 divided by 16.
Pound and a half.
So she needs a pound and a half. Does that make sense to you guys? Easy, right? So when you guys go out there, if you guys see like the meats, that is not necessarily like some are like they sell by the pound, some sell by 1 point, whatever pound. Well, guess what? Are you the person that's looking, okay, I need this exact amount of pounds, therefore I'm going to get that. Because you don't need 5 pounds. I mean, unless you're buying for the week. And unless you're buying from someone else. Does that make sense? So guys, right now I need very detailed answers, guys, in protein. Okay? So, Armando, you want to share what you have with us?
I need to get some meat, beef. So it should be lean meat. And since we're buying for each other, so then it'll be, how many ounces of protein do we need of the meat, the lean meat?
Okay, so now, because and here's the thing, it gets more complicated than that, because when you cook your meat, if you buy a pound, you cook it, it's going to end up being less after you cook it, because it loses the water. So if you end up buying 2 pounds and a half, that makes sense. You get it? So you need 2 pounds and a half of flesh just for 2 days, Armando.
Wow.
2 days. What about Diana?
The same. 6 meals.
6 meals. So for you it's 4 ounces. So 4 ounces again, it's going to be full enough so that you don't crave, the donuts sitting over there, by the brick room area, or anything else that you don't want me to eat, but I crave it. Does that make sense? So, and it's great that we're beginning with the meals, because if you guys begin with the meals, the 3 meals a day, the snacks is the easy thing. Because we don't want you guys to feel like, well, the purpose of this book is that you guys learn to eat food. We live is 1.5 for the next 2 days, so one pound and a half. But you say you needed eggs, right?
Oh yeah.
So let's break it down. So how many meals do you need again? How many meals do you need?
I need 6 ounces.
She needs 6 meals. So if she needs 6 meals, now it's going to get a little more complicated. Because now, out of those 6 meals, 2 of them are going to be breakfast, in which she's going to need eggs. And now, an egg out there has about 6 to 8 grams. You just need, maybe 4 for the 2 days completed. So that means that you're left out with 4 meals. 4 times 4, that's 16. So 16, that's a pound. So guess what you need? You need a dozen of eggs plus just a pound of flesh. And but that's the thing, guys. We just figured this out as we went. In like 30 seconds, we figured out exactly what she needed. And that's what I want you guys to know how to do yourselves. Where are you at?
I just need snacks.
How many? 3 days worth. So what? 3 times 3? 9. You need 9 snacks. You got it? Easy. That's what you're gonna go out there and you just go straight for that. I need 9 snacks. I won't get out of here until I get my 9 snacks. You see, if I miss my 9 snacks, I'll miss my gains. Okay? Now, Christina?
You already went over it.
Okay.
A pound and a half of protein.
All right, good.
Almonds and cranberries and then cheese and then an apple. That's my favorite snack to have. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine. That's definitely fine. Well, that goes to the second question. What do you have at home right now? Do you have that at home?
I don't have any apples. So tomorrow when you have the
Okay.
snacks. So I need apples to go with my.
So when you go out there, you're gonna get exactly what you need. Because I don't want you guys to. If you already have, apples in your house, if I tell you you're gonna need, apples for your snacks, how many meals do you need, or you have it at home? Do you have that at home, or you need snacks too?
Can I eat out? Remember, I'm working on.
All right. So guys, she eats out.
Salad.
Right?
Salads, yeah, chicken salads is what I.
Okay, which is right now, it's acceptable for right now. So we're gonna focus on the one thing you can tackle. I'm not gonna tell you, let's tackle on eating 3 homemade meals and 3 snacks. Either it's my way or the highway. No, you can tackle that. The snacks, focus on that. Just the snacks. Okay?
3 snacks for the next few days.
Alright, so you need 9 snacks. Alright, hopefully we'll have enough, right?
I think so.
Alright, and Wendy, we talked about it, right? What do you need?
I need 4 meals and 6 snacks.
4 meals and 4 snacks. So you know exactly how many pounds you're gonna get out there of flesh?
Yes, because for 2 meals you said it was 8 ounces, so
Yeah.
for 4 it's 60.
Okay, 6, so just a pound. And how many snacks?
Actually 5.
5 snacks.
Yes.
Alright, so just put 5 snacks. I need 5 snacks.
I want to be the test lady.
But guys, she comes into a store with an idea that she needs food. Just like everyone else that comes into the store. Oh, I think I need this. Oh, I need that. And then you see what else I get. What do you need?
12 meals and 12 snacks.
So that's 4, right? That's 4 times 3, that's 12. And then so you need 12 meals and how many snacks? Okay.
No, I think.
So guys, she's like aiming high. She needs 12 meals and 12 snacks.
Yeah.
In the perfect scenario, that'd be, let's get it done. But let me ask you something. If I were to look at your book right now, how many meals do you usually eat in a day?
Like 2 meals. Yeah.
So she only eats 2 meals. So if we buy the 12 meals, would you say that she's gonna end up not, maybe not, the food's staying in the fridge? I mean, like, I bought that last week with this guy who I went to class with. I didn't use it.
No, because my meals are bigger. So
Her meals are bigger.
Yeah.
Okay, so would you say that, in a more realistic way of thinking for her, if she's focused on maybe perhaps 1 meal a day, 1 good meal a day, 3 meals, okay, so 3 meals, preferably guys, do you think that she's gonna end up eating, if I tell her, you're gonna get a pound of bison, and you're gonna get some grains to go with that, you're gonna just saute that together, so you can have it for breakfast, you're gonna eat that for the next 4 days. Do you guys think that she'll have it?
No.
No. So how about we just focus on having, 2 eggs for breakfast for the next 4 days with some veggies and maybe a fruit to go with that. Would that be more doable for you? Okay, so that's way easier for you. And after that, all you focus on is your 3 stacks a day. Make sense?
Yeah.
So with that said, you're probably gonna need a dozen eggs and veggies. Guys, veggies, that's gonna be as free. That's the one thing we don't have to think about. Just have vegetables every meal, every snack. Well, preferably every meal, yeah, but snacks depends on what kind of snack it is.
I have a question, does it matter if they're frozen?
Oh,
Is that not a good idea?
depends. Depends on A, how much time you got, and depends on B, the reasoning behind it.